Are you looking for a working Reclaim AI coupon code to save big on the world's smartest scheduling app? Stop searching. I've found an exclusive deal that will help you organize your life for less. To get this deal, you need to use a specific link. Pause this video right now, scroll down to the pinned comment below, and click the official link I've placed there. You will also find the active coupon code right next to it. Once you click the link, you'll land on the official sign-up page. Create your account, then head to Settings and Billing. Here is a pro tip. Make sure to select the annual plan. This step alone instantly knocks off 20% from the price compared to monthly billing. Now, find the box that says Add Promotion Code. Copy the code from my pinned comment, paste it here, and click Apply. Boom! You just secured the best price available. Don't wait. Click the link below and reclaim your time today.